How to fix screenshot not working on Windows 11. What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to easily fix if your screenshot is not working. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your settings, and once your settings is open, just click on apps on the left side of your screen, click on installed apps. Now on the list of your installed apps you are going to find your snipping tool. So just scroll down and then find your snipping tool right here, and you're going to click on this more options and then click on advanced options. Now this will open up the advanced option of this particular app. Now you are going to repair the app if there is any problem with it. The PC is going to scan itself and then see if there are any possible problems. While this is repairing, it's a good time for you to remind to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe as well. And after you have repaired your app, if nothing happens, then you can try to reset it. So just click on reset. So this is the first method. The other thing that you can do is head over to your device manager. So just right click on your PC and then click on show more options and then click on manage. This will open up your computer management. And now here you have to find device manager on the left side of your screen. Now head over to your keyboards, right click on it, because oftentimes it's the problem with the keyboard because your keyboard shortcut might not be working. So just click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. If it says the best driver for your device are already installed, then that means you're good to go. Now the other thing that you want to do is open your command prompt. So just click on CMD, search for CMD, and then run as administrator. So once you do this, you are going to type in this exact command. So you're just going to type sfc space and then front slash scan now. So just click right here and scan now. Once you enter, it will start scanning the PC. The process will take some time, so you just have to wait for a bit. Here you can see the verification complete is only 3% right now. So you just have to wait for it to complete to 100%. While this is happening, just head down below to give this video a like and then subscribe to the channel as well. Once your scan is complete, you can type in exit to exit your command prompt. And that's how you can fix your screen shot not working on Windows. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one.